Video 138 dimensions of a figure. A rectangular storage space must be constructed for a garage. There's a mistake already. I love it. If the owner wants to make the width 10 feet larger than the length, allowing a perimeter of 120 feet, then what are the dimensions of the rectangular space? Now, before we go to the solution, let's go ahead and do this. Alright. What we would do is we would draw a diagram. We would draw a rectangle because they're talking about a rectangular space. We would then declare one of these is the length, one of them's the width. It doesn't matter which one you call which. The diagram doesn't have to be perfect. Now, it says here the owner wants to make the width 10 feet larger than the length. Width is 10 feet larger than L. W is 10 feet more than L. See how that works? Okay. Now what we could have done here is we could have described this as X, and you could have called this X plus 10. Whatever you describe this, it would be that variable plus 10. Now, I want to address this larger than the length. If I said, okay, Carl has 5 more than Tom, we would say C equals T plus 5. And we would write it as T plus 5 because what if it was the word less? Carl has 5 less than Tom. We would say Carl equals T minus 5. The 5 would come after the T. Alright? Now, that's why I did L plus 10, not 10 plus L. It's just a good habit to get into so you can stay consistent just in case it's a minus. It didn't matter for plus because addition has the commutative property, but it will definitely matter for subtraction. Now, do you agree here that this would then be L, and this would also be L plus 10? Then if you add those together, you're going to have, now I call them X's instead, so the diagram I would have used would have been X, X, X plus 10, X plus 10. Now, why am I adding this all together equal 120? What's the definition of perimeter? The sum of the 4 sides. So X plus X, there's the first two. X plus 10, another X plus 10. So there's your 1, 2, 3, 4 sides. Combined length terms, 4x plus the 20, subtract 20, divide by 4, 25 feet. Therefore, when you go back, X is 10, or I'm sorry, X is 25, therefore the other side is 35 because it'll be 25 plus the 10. So the dimensions are a 25 by 35 rectangular storage space. Okay, let's go to the next one. A rectangular storage space must be constructed for a garage. Okay, if the owner wants to make a width 5 feet less than 2 times the length, allowing a perimeter of 95 feet, then what are the dimensions? Okay, well, if we have, again, this is the same kind of problem. You would start off with some kind of a diagram, start off with drawing some rectangle. Always start with the question, what are the dimensions? This way here you know how to label. Length, width, or whatever you want to call it. It says here the owner wants to make the width 5 feet less than 2 times the length. So the width is 5 feet less than 2 times L. And then of course you can go through and replace all these L's with X's, and you'll have, well, this is going to be 2L minus 5, and this will be L again. So if you call them all X's, you'll have an X, 2X minus 5, 2X minus 5, all 4 sides. Add the like terms, 6X minus the 10 here, adding like terms, plus 10, 105, divided by 6, 17.5 feet. Therefore, the dimensions are 17.5 by 29. How'd you get to 29? We go back and plug it in. You'll have W equals 2 times the 17.5 minus the 5. This ends up being 30. Oh, actually, you know what? I messed up. This is actually 30. There you go. 30 because 2 times 17.5 is 35. 35 minus 5 is 30. So you have a 17.5 by 30 feet garage space. Let's just go ahead and write that down here. 35 or 17.5 by 30. Okay? Any questions or concerns? Send me an email, and of course, good times.